choose your own path. Oh, today we're going to finish up the paint job on our Gatekeeper. So this is brown, black, and silver. Nothing goes in and out. It's a prop. The eyes are red. Now, shut off all the lights. You can see eye glows. So yeah, this was a commission piece. It's going out to the States, the other side of the fence for me. And yeah, I hope he's happy with it because all I got to do is spray it down, clear coat on it. It's ready to go. So let me know what you think. Don't forget, guys, if I could do it, you can do it. Anybody can do it. Choose your own path. See you on the next one.